x squared plus 6 plus 8x plus 12 times x plus 6 power negative 1. When I see here, this one is power negative 1, that means take it to the denominator and put it as division. So that means the question is like this: x squared plus 8x, as you see, plus 12 divided by x plus 6. Now this is how the question is. This is how we read it. Okay, how can we do it now? We have two ways. It is either synthetic way or long division. Okay, we're gonna do it in both ways. Then you choose which one you find it easier for you. And we'll find also a third way. So we'll solve this question now by 3 ways, and you can choose then the way you find it easier for you. Okay, first we put here, this is synthetic, we put the number that is with the x, but in different sign. This is positive 6, so you write it here negative 6. Then now you write the coefficients. Here the coefficient is what? 1. The coefficient of x squared is 1. And the coefficient of x is what? Is 8. And the coefficient here 12, I write here 12 as it is. Good. Then what I do here, I write a line here, I draw a line, then I take the 1 down as it is. Now I start 1 times negative 6, I put it here. Now I add 8 with negative 6, I'll get what? 2. Now what I do, I repeat, I multiply the 2 by negative 6 here, I'll get negative 12. I add the negative 12 here, then I add them 12 plus negative 12, I get what? 0. So that means this is the answer. Now this 0 you cancel it, and this 2 you write it as it is, and this x you add to it what? You add to it x. So that means it's going to be x plus 2. This is the answer. So you choose this is the answer as it is. This is one way. Okay, can we solve it in another way? Long division, yes. How we solve it long division? This is how we're going to solve long division. We write here x plus 6 that we are dividing by, and we write these ones, which is x squared plus 8x plus 12. We write it here. Now how we divide as long division? We divide now x squared divided by x as x. Now you multiply. Now when you go there, here multiply x times x is x squared. You see? And then now also you multiply x times 6. So when you divide, I divide only one way when you go up. But when you go down, I multiply by 1. So x times 6 is going to be what? It's going to be 6x. Now what I do here, we subtract. If we subtract here now, what will we get? X squared minus x squared, 0. Then 8x minus 6x is 2x. Good. 12 is still there. I take it down as positive 12. Now I repeat the process. How do I repeat the process here in this case? 2x divided by x is what? Is 2. So I write here 2. Now I go down and multiply. 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times 6 is going to be what? 12. Now I subtract here. It's 2x minus 2x, 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. So that means the result is 0. When the result is 0, so that means this one now is the answer, which is what? X plus 2 as you see, also x plus 2. This is the second way. So here is the first way, and here's now the second way, which is long division. Okay, third way, what to do? Third way is, as you see the question, it is here, this is now, I write here the third way. This is now the third way. Okay, for the third way, as you see the question is x squared plus 8x plus 12, we said divided by what? By x plus 6. Okay, in this case now, since the numerator is quadratic, you can simplify it. You can factorize it. When I factorize this one, now look here what I write. I write the denominator as it is, which is x plus what? Plus 6, I write it as it is. Now, in the numerator, I make 2 parentheses. Now, just what I factorize the numerator. And I factorize it now, x squared, I put it here as x, and here is x. Now, I think of 2 numbers. When I multiply them, I get positive 12, and when I add them, I get positive 8. What are these 2 numbers? When I multiply them, I get positive 12, and when I add them, I get positive 8. What are they? They are positive 2 and positive 6, because if you multiply 2 times 6, you get 12. If you add them, you get what? 8. Now, I can simplify numerator with denominator. So x plus 6 here, go with x plus 6 here. So what is left is just what? X plus 2, and this is the answer. So that means you have them 3 ways. This is the first way. Here you find it the same answer, x plus 2, and here you find x plus 2 the second way, and here you find x plus 2 the third way. So you choose x plus 2 as the answer for them all.